Hello students, today we will learn how to get user input in C programming language. So to start with, I will do it in Turbo C++ instead of doing in VS Code. So let us start it. So here I have started my new file, then I can zoom it. Now I'll be starting with my C program, how to get user input. So I'll start with my command, how to get user input in C language. So first of all, I'll include my standard files, hash include stdio.h, then hash include conio.h. stdio has been included for the purpose of standard input output, and conio has been used for console input output. Here I'll be using two functions, so for that purpose I am using it here. So I'll start with, you can start with int main or either void main, whatever you want. So void main, then here I will first of all I'll write here clear screen, clr scr. This is a function that clears screen, and this has been defined in conio.h. So that's why I have included this header file. Now after this I want to get say student roll number. So I'll write here roll number, integer, it is integer type. And now I will write here print, I'll use printf function. So I'll write here, it will be printed in the next line, please enter your roll number, enter your roll number. So then in the next line, now I want to get user input. So for this one I have a function scanf. Scanf function is used for getting input from the user. So here now it is an integer function, so I will have to format this %d or either %i, whichever you want. I is just for integer, %d is for integer decimal, so here now I want to get it, so I will write roll number. Now actually scanf function works at address, so instead of just writing roll number, you will write ampersand roll number, you write ampersand roll number. So at this address this value will be entered, and then when you will print it again, you can just see here get ch, you can write get ch means wait for a while, and then after this you can print this whatever value was entered. So printf, and here you can type out, you can use backslash n. You entered your entered roll number is, entered roll number is. So here you can print that roll number now, just roll number, but you will have to use format specifier. That format specifier what we have, %d, because that value has been entered in the integer decimal, so that will also be printed. But here we need not to put ampersand, please. Here we need not to put ampersand. So now because scanf function works at the address, that's why we have to do that. Then get ch again, and then return. If you are putting int there, int void, instead of putting void main, if you are putting int main, then you will have to write here int 0 or int some value. So now this is my program, how to get user input, how to get data from the user. So now after having done, I can just save this program, and I will save as say input.c cpp, because I am using Turbo C, I have given extension cpp only. So C++, whatever you want to give, it will work with the both. So I have given cpp, and when I'll run it, and just you can see it. Now it is asking me enter your roll number. So I will enter roll number, say 72762, and then I'll, because now when I'll press it, it is with the scanf function right now. When I'll press it, now it is, after this I have given get ch. Why I have given get ch? Because I just wanted to wait for printing the entered roll number. So now I'll press enter here, and then I can see my output, what I entered. Although it is already here, but I want to see it with the help of printf. So just press here, and your entered roll number is 762. So like this, there in the scanf we used ampersand, means we worked at the address, and while in this case we are just using the normal variable in case of printf, because scanf function works as a pointer to that variable, so pointer means it will always take address of it. So like this you can have this one. But now this is one, but let us suppose if you want to get a character, so I'll little change it. So I want to get a character, say grade. Here I'll be using grade as a single character. So I have just written char, and grade can be given as ABC, like that. So now here I can write enter your grade as well. Here you can write enter your grade. Then when you are entering grade, then again you will use the same way, scanf, but this time the format character will be %c. %c is for character, %d for integer decimal, %i for integers, and %f for floating, and %x for address of the variable. So these various format specifier we have. Then here again you can put as grade, and then again you can write here in the same way, and just then paste it. So here your entered grade is here. Now you need to put format it again, otherwise why format characters are required? If you do not use formatting character, you won't be able to see output. So in this case I will be using grade. Just again save it and run it. It should like this. Now when I run this, see what I am going to get. So I'll enter roll number, say 456, and then I'll put grade here A, say like A, and then you can enter it. And now it is again waiting for getting a character ch, and then you can press here. So now you can see 456 and A has come up there. So for getting single character or getting any of the numeric value, you need to use ampersand sign. But now let us see here. Assume if I want to get name of the name of the student. So say name is of 30 characters. So I will how to get the name of the student. You will have to take care again. You will have to use in the same way, copy it, and then here you can get you can write enter your name. Now see the difference, because name, what is name? I'll use here %s is a string, and string is set of characters. Or a character array. So here this time I'll just write name. I'll not write address. Why? Because name is a character array. And what is an array? An array is again a set of characters or a character array whose just name is a address of the array. Whose just name is a address of the array, means base address. So that means when you are writing ampersand or when you are writing name, it means it is at the base address. It's showing it's a base address. So you need not to write down ampersand. So just write name, and after this you can print it here. For character arrays, you need not to put any ampersand sign, because name is itself base address of the of the array, of that array, or here in this case name is a set of character array. That's why you need not to put it. And again you will have to configure in the same way. So grade, you can put here name. So no ampersand is required in this case. Again, when you will run this program, see what it is going to show you. Roll number, here you can give roll number 236, and grade, you can give grade as A, And name you can write, say I'll write here Smith. And now it is waiting for your character entry. So just get CS has been given there, so that's why it is waiting you to press a key. So just press key and you will see the answer. So this way in C programming we can get user input, but you will have to take care here again. See, numeric can be accessed by address, character will also be accessed by address, but when it is a string, means set of characters, you have to just give name. You have to just give that whatever array is there, that string is there, you have to give that one, that name only. Because in C there is no string at all, but you have to, you have just give that name only. So name is itself an your base address of that one, and that's why you need not to put ampersand sign. So this way we can get user input in C programming, and this program you can make it in VS Code or either in any of the developer C++ or anywhere else. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.